Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the different parts of a flower by taking a live sample of a flower. As you are already aware that a flower has got four main whorls, that is petals, sepals, stamens and carpels. So let us take some live samples and see all these four whorls of a flower. So firstly, I'll show you. This is a bud of marigold flower. This is a flower bud of a marigold flower. So now you can see marigold flower bud is being covered with these green leaf-like structures. It is all being protected by these green leaf-like structures. These are the sepals. So I can just take them out with my finger. So when this flower will open up, these sepals, they will also come out. Right? So inside you can see this is the flower, right? And flower is being protected by these green colored sepals. So this is flower and these are the sepals of the flower which were protecting the flower in this bud stage. So I have just cut that open. So you can see it very clearly. Again, look at this. These are the petals of marigold. This was the bud of marigold which has been cut open. Inside it you can see these are the petals of the marigold, and these petals were being protected by these sepals. Sepals are green leaf-like structures which were protecting the bud, flower bud, right? So these are the sepals. Now let us take a flower. Now you can see this is a lily flower. Now in this flower, let us just take out the various parts. So you can see these colored parts. These are called the petals, right? So you can see, I will just cut it open from all the sides. These are various petals of this flower. Colorful part of a flower, these are the petals. Got it? These are all the petals of the flower. Understood? Now see further. This is the central part. Now in this, you can see this one is little different. This one is the carpel and rest all are the stamens. So let us just separate the stamens. So these are stamens of the flower. These are the stamens of the flower, right? If you will see the stamen carefully, this long tube, this is the filament, and the swollen front part, this is the anther, right? Anther. And if I put the anther here on my finger, you can see this yellow powdery substance is coming out, right? This yellow powdery substance which is coming out from the anther is the pollen grains. You can see the pollen grains. This yellow powdery substance is the pollen grains. So these are the stamens of the flower. Now let us come to the carpel. The central portion of the flower, it is the carpel. Now in the carpel you can see the topmost region. This is little expanded. This is the stigma. This long tubular part, this is the style, right? And then if I cut it open from the bottom, just see this. We will find the ovary here. Just see this carefully. This is the ovary, which is having the ovules in it, right? You can see the ovary, and inside the ovary we can see ovules, that is the female gametes are present inside the ovary. So this is our female reproductive part, that is the carpel. So just see again, in the flower we have four major whorls. The petals. Petals are the colorful part of the flower which are attracting the insects for pollination. We have green colored sepals. Sepals are basically to protect the flower during the bud stage. Just like this marigold bud was being protected by these green colored petals. Sepals. Green colored sepals, these are protecting the bud of the marigold flower. Then we have stamens. Stamens are the male reproductive part of the flower. Stamens have got filament and the anther. Anthers are having male reproductive cells, that is the pollen grains in it. Then we have is the carpel. Carpel is having upper expanded region called the stigma, the long tubular region style, and at the base it is having the ovary. In the ovary we have is the female cells, female reproductive cells, that is ovules present. So these are the four major whorls of a flower, children. Thank you.